Hey guys, it's your girl Reine and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this stunning wig from iDefine hair, and listen, this took me 5 minutes and she's given everything she needs to give. So guys, let's get right into it. Before we even get into the wig, guys, I always like to make sure that I take care of my hair underneath. I start off by braiding my hair in about 12 cornrows. That is 6 cornrows on each side. So I do that because I like my hair to be flat underneath the wig. So depending on the thickness of your hair, you can go for less cornrows if you like, but I like the smaller cornrows because it definitely ensures that my hair is flat under my wig.
I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me.
And guys, as I braid, I always like to make sure that my hair is moisturized. Healthy hair always, guys. I'm using my favorite leave-in conditioner from TikTok shop. It comes with some growth oil, which I will be adding once I finish doing my cornrows.
It's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, movie stars, jewelry, all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, movie stars, jewelry.
So guys, once I'm done braiding, I rub oil into my scalp and then I just rub it in. As you can all see, I also like to add some oil on my ends and then rub that in. I then use my gel just to slick my edges back so there's no flyaways or anything, just so everything is smooth under my wig cap. And then I braid the cornrows together into one big braid, tuck it away neatly so that everything is nice and flat under my wig. Now for the fun part, guys, the wig. This beauty right here is from iDefine hair. Inside the box you get the wig, you get a wig cap. As you can see that I have my wig cap on. You get a few little extra bits like leaflets to take care of the wig and so on. But here's the star of the show, guys. It's a glueless lace wig and it comes with an adjustable strap and an adjustable elastic band. So it's kind of like a bra strap, which makes it super easy to fit. And it also has 4 clips, one on each side, one in the middle, and one at the back for extra security. And guys, look at how well this lace melts on my hand. You just know it's gonna look good when you put it on. And guys, just look at these curls, so soft, bouncy, and look at that shine. I love it so much already. So guys, I started by putting the wig on just to see how it fits and how it looks on my face, but my wig cap was showing through, so I pushed it back a little bit, as you guys can see. And yeah, the cap is a little bit lighter, so we don't want that showing through, you know. You can take the extra time and use foundation to tint the lace, but you don't have to if you don't have time, you feel me? So guys, this wig came pre-cut, but I wanted to customize it a little bit more, especially around the corners. So I just trimmed it down just to match my hairline better, you know, just to make it look more natural. I grabbed my got-to-be sprayed and I applied just a bit right along where the lace is gonna sit. Not too much, just a little light spray, you know. And then I used the paper leaflet that came in the box just to, you know, dry it up. So guys, once it's tacky, I press the lace down with my fingers, added a bit more spray just for that extra hold. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna let that dry a little bit more, and then after it's a bit dry, I'm gonna use a foundation with a small brush to tint the lace so that it blends perfectly with my skin. So guys, remember this is a glueless wig, so you don't necessarily have to spray or use any got to be glued. I like to have my wig on and not always take it off every night, so that's why I like to use got to be, and I like the extra melt it gives. And for that extra melt, I tie it down with a band that I made using an old pair of tights, and it works really well. While that's melting, I run my fingers to the curls to open them a bit. Then I added some water to define them even more, guys. And look at the curls coming to life. A little goes a long way. It really refreshes the curls and it gives them that soft, natural bounce. So once I took the band off, I brushed everything out and I just played around with the style. To be honest, I'm more of a side part girl, especially when it comes to curly hair. I love me a side part. I love that effortless, you know, slightly messy look where you can easily just run your fingers through it. You don't have to worry about having that perfect neat part, you know. I just like to be free, you feel me? And look at just how nice it sits. But I will also try a middle part just to show you guys how versatile this wig is, and you know, you can just do so much with it. As you guys can see, I just love the side part. It's just me. Like, look at that, look at that. Yeah, work it. Guys, if you want to rock that middle part, then definitely go in with a hot comb just to make it super sleek. I didn't bother because, like I said, I love that natural volume look, and you know, I like 1 minute I'll have a middle part, the next minute you'll see me with a flip over side part. Like, that's just me, so that's why I didn't bother. I just like the natural volume it gives. So yeah, definitely going with that hot comb, it will make such a big difference. I went in with more water on one side just to show you guys the difference. More water equals more defined curls, and then I just crunched the hair a bit to really just set the curls in, as you guys can see. And that's it, guys. The hair looks absolutely stunning. It's given soft, natural, and super easy to style. As you guys can see, I did not have to do too much at all. This literally took me about 5 minutes to do, but I just dragged it a little bit just to show you guys every single thing that I did. But y'all, this is a complete wear and go. Perfect for any season, but especially this autumn or fall, as the Americans will say. Thank you again, iDefine Hair, for this beautiful unit. If you want to check it out, I will leave all the details in that description box below. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more hair videos and tips from me, Reine. See you guys in the next one. Bye.